Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful macrame leaves and also this wall hanging art. So let's get started. First, for the materials you're going to need a macrame string or yarn and also scissors. After this, to make the leaf we're going to need to cut a longer string which is going to be around 30 centimeters, and then we have to cut also a lot of short strings that are gonna be around 13 centimeters, and we're going to need 40 of these strings. For the first step to make the leaf, we need to take the longer string and fold it in two and attach it to a surface like this. After this, we have to take one of the short string and fold it in two, and then we have to take another string and fold it in two as well. After this, we're going to take one of the short folded strings and place it under the longer main string, like this. And then we're going to take the other folded string, and here is the trick. We're going to pass through the loop the endings of the top folded string, and at the same time we're going to pass the endings of the other string at the same time like this, and we're going to pull tight. And now we have to repeat exactly the same step until we place all the cutted strings. And it might seem a little bit complicated in the beginning, but it's not actually complicated at all. As you can see, I placed them on the opposite direction from each other, and there are two loops created, and then just the endings of the strings have to pass through the loops. I really hope my explanations actually make sense, but I think that even if you just observe what I'm doing, you definitely can see how I'm doing it. And here I'm adding the last string, and after this I'm just going to take the end of the longer string and make a knot so I can secure the rest of the strings, just like this, and I'm gonna cut the rest so it aligns with the rest of the strings. After this, we need to brush the leaf, and for this we can use a pad brush, which I definitely recommend, or a small hair comb, but I definitely recommend the pad brush. And here I'm just gonna take the leaf and I'm gonna start brushing it on one of the sides. It will take just a little bit of time until the bristles of the strings look nice and straight, but I'm just gonna keep doing it until I have this puffy kind of look. And as you can see here, now it looks more puffy and straight, and I'm gonna do the same, exactly the same on the other side as well, until I have the same look on the both sides. Now everything, as you can see, looks nice and straight, and now we have to cut it in a leaf shape like this one, and I'm just gonna take the scissors and cut it in a leaf shape, just like this. You can definitely cut different shapes of leaves. I definitely found so many shapes on Pinterest. You can also make a feather-like looking shape. You just need to cut it more straight. But definitely you can experiment, improvise, and see what kind of shape you're gonna like. And don't worry if when you cut it at first you don't like the shape, you can keep adjusting it until you like it. As you can see here, I'm doing the same, and I just keep on cutting until I have nice and clean edge, and I'm really happy with the result. I really like how it turned out. And now I'm going to show you how to make the wall hanging art, and for this we're going to need 2 more leaves, so 3 leaves in total. Also, we are going to need a piece of tree branch, and we are just going to place the leaves on the branch like this. And when we place them on the branch, we just need to adjust them a little bit, and after this we need a longer string of the same cord, and I'm just gonna take the string and tie it around the both endings of the branch. And that's all actually, our wall hanging art is ready. In the end I decided to add a little bit of ribbon with green leaves around the branch and the string so it will look better, and you will see this in a second. I really hope you like this video. Please, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!